You remember the wave? That tiny, perfect little hand moving back and forth when you walked out the door. And then, one day, it just stops. The words you were so proud of, they're gone. The eye contact, it's like it's just not there anymore. It's heartbreaking. I mean, it's confusing, it's scary. But here's the science. You aren't imagining it. Research shows that for 20 to 30% of children on the spectrum, this is their reality, a phenomenon called developmental regression. But today, I need you to hear me clearly. If your child is regressing, you have to stop. Not stop loving them, not stop trying, but stop the panic, and more importantly, stop the more is better approach to therapy. Because the answer isn't more training, it's a complete reset. Before we even talk about autism therapy or assessments or behavioral charts, we have to address the biology. If there is a sudden drop in skills or even a slow, persistent slide, you don't look at a behavioral therapist first, you look at a doctor. And I don't just mean your regular checkup. You need to rule out the medical shadows. It could be anything, right? An ear infection, metabolic issues, sleep disorders, or even autoimmune triggers like pandas. Sometimes what looks like a psychological regression is actually a body in pain, a body that's signaling, I don't have the energy to talk because I'm fighting something else. So push. If your pediatrician dismisses it, go to a specialist. Rule out the biological first, because if you're trying to build a house on a shaky foundation, well, you're just wasting your time. Once the medical side is clear, we step into the behavioral side. And this is where most parents, myself included, looking back at advice I've given, get it wrong. We keep pushing the same programs, the same targets, the same goals, even when the child is clearly stuck. It's like trying to force a door that's locked from the other side. I call this the onion approach. You need to stop and start peeling back the layers. If a program has been stagnant for weeks, months, even years, it's not the child's fault. It's the plan. You're likely skipping a prerequisite. You have to go back. Find the layer where your child was actually successful, where they were happy, where they were safe. Don't count skills they had 6 months ago. That's not where they are today. Assess them where they are right now. Use a checklist, find the gaps, and build up from that new, solid ground.
Finally, I want us to talk about the destination. Because I think in the world of therapy, we get so caught up in the teaching that we forget the living. We want them to talk, to read, to socialize. And yes, those are goals. But if we lose sight of their happiness and their sense of safety while chasing those targets, we've lost the point. Your child doesn't need to be perfect to be successful. They need to be comfortable. They need to be safe. They need to be understood. So if you're stuck, take a breath, reset your plan. And remember, it's not a race to the finish line. It's a journey of quality of life. Thank you for being here today. If this hit home, please leave a comment below. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button for more honest, real talk parenting support. I'll see you in the next one.